AI-powered face recognition is one of the most in-demand technologies in the video surveillance industry. From automated access control and searching for a person by photo across thousands of archived recordings to intrusion detection, these are just a few of the many security scenarios where face recognition proves invaluable. Xeoma offers one of the most advanced face recognition algorithms on the market, and in this video, we'll show you how to set it up and use it effectively. Before you begin, please note that face recognition in Xeoma works best when your server has an NVIDIA graphics card with CUDA support. Any consumer or professional model starting from NVIDIA GeForce 1060 with 6GB of VRAM is suitable for this module. If no graphics card is installed, recognition speed and accuracy will be lower, and the CPU load may increase. Now let's add the face recognition module to the module chain and open its settings. The first step is choosing a recognition algorithm. In the face recognition algorithm drop-down menu, you'll see 3 options. Let's go through them one by one. The artificial intelligence algorithm is included in Xeoma Pro and provides around 90% accuracy. It works well for tasks like employee time tracking in offices or production facilities, access control, and intruder detection in protected areas. The artificial intelligence using CNN algorithm is the same model, adapted for recognizing Asian-type faces. The Vision algorithm is Xeoma's flagship face recognition model. It delivers 99% accuracy and can recognize faces in difficult conditions, at sharp angles, in low light, and even when a person's appearance has changed, for example, with headwear, sunglasses, or even a mask. Vision is ideal for large-scale tasks such as access control at major enterprises, suspect detection in public places, and counting unique visitors in shopping centers. Please note, the Vision algorithm requires additional resources to be downloaded. Downloading starts automatically after you select the algorithm and may take more than 10 minutes. We'll explain face recognition licensing at the end of this video. For now, let's focus on the module's basic settings. No matter which algorithm you choose, the core settings will be similar. First, select a face detection algorithm. This setting affects how quickly and accurately faces are detected in the frame. If your system has a CUDA-supported graphics card, the corresponding option will appear in the drop-down list. Choose it for maximum speed and accuracy. Otherwise, select based on how long faces stay visible in the frame. If people pass by quickly and faces are visible for no more than 1.5 seconds, choose faster. If faces typically remain visible for 1.5 seconds or longer, choose better. Next, scroll down and mark the part of the frame where Xeoma should look for faces. Click on Mark All, then select the detection zone in the window. If needed, adjust the brush size using the slider. Switch the brush to unmark mode, or mark the entire frame. Then set the minimum recognition accuracy. For example, if you set it to 90%, any matches below that threshold will be ignored. For artificial intelligence, we recommend 80–85% accuracy, and a 95–99 for vision. Now open the reaction type drop-down menu and choose when the face recognition module should trigger. React to any faces works like a face detector, triggers whenever any face appears in the frame. React only to selected faces, triggers only when a face from the database appears. We'll show how to add faces later. React to unknown and unselected faces, triggers when faces that are not in the database or are disabled in the stored list appear in the frame. This mode is mainly used to detect unauthorized entry into protected areas. React to people in a mask and react to people not in a mask require the corresponding license and are designed for medical mask compliance monitoring during epidemics and in healthcare facilities. After choosing the reaction type, scroll back up. Use the high-resolution stream from archive option determines which stream is used for face search and recognition, high-resolution or low-resolution. If maximum recognition quality is important, enable this switch. Disabling it can significantly reduce server load, with a moderate drop in accuracy. The post-record slider controls how long the face recognition module stays triggered after the target face disappears from the frame. This is commonly used for archive recording. When a person leaves the frame, recording continues for the specified time. Important: for this scenario, the preview and archive module must be connected directly to the face recognition module. The ignore objects that disappeared in less than slider helps reduce false recognitions by ignoring faces that disappear too quickly. For example, if it's set to 1 second, a face must remain in the frame for at least 1 second to be recognized, otherwise it will be ignored. We recommend leaving it at 0, since people often pass cameras quickly. Scroll down again. The Use Original Image Resolution option controls the image quality used for recognition. If enabled together with Use the High-Resolution Stream from Archive, recognition accuracy will be maximized, but server load will increase. If you disable it, Xeoma can compress images, reducing server load at the cost of a slight drop in accuracy. The minimum amount of faces for triggering and maximum amount of faces for triggering sliders determine how many faces must be present for the module to trigger. Adjust them if you want to detect moments when several faces appear, or ignore moments when too many faces are present. Otherwise, keep the defaults. The Save Frames with Recognized Faces option is straightforward. Every recognized face will be saved as a JPEG to the path specified in the corresponding field. If you need a text report of module activity, enable Save Data in CSV Report. Xeoma will create a CSV file in the selected folder with trigger times and the names of recognized people if those faces are in the database. The last option we'll cover today is continuous operation to enable search in the archive. With this option enabled, faces aren't recognized in real time, but the Search Faces by Photo option becomes available in the archive. Please note, to use photo-based face search, you need to purchase the corresponding license on our official website. For this video, we'll keep this option disabled. You may have noticed another option, Allow Auto-Training with Detected Faces. This is a separate operating mode that can be used to count unique visitors and apply the collected data for marketing purposes. We'll cover it in a separate video. These were the basic face recognition settings. Now let's move on to adding faces to the database. There are several ways to add faces to the Xeoma database. Method 1. Scroll to the very bottom of the Face Recognition module settings, click Open the Face database, then click Add New Person. Enter and save the person's name. Then select their photo from the disk. If a face is detected in the photo, it will be added to the database. Method 2. Make sure a face is currently visible in the frame. Open the Face Recognition module settings. Enter the person's name and click Train Person Recognition. Wait until Xeoma detects the face and adds it to the database. Method 3. Open the camera archive and find a fragment where the target face is visible. Open the archive menu and choose Select a Face and add it to the database. In the next window, enter the person's name and, without clicking OK, select the person's face in the frame. All added faces can be viewed in the Face database. To open it, scroll to the bottom of the Face Recognition module settings and click Open Face Database. There you'll see a list of all added faces. To quickly find a person by name, use the search bar. Click a person's name to open the editing menu. Here, you can rename the person and add extra details. The name can be changed in the corresponding field. Using the Add Column button, you can add a column with additional information. For example, we'll add a column named Age with the value 31. Now, when this face appears in the frame, the data from this column will be displayed under the highlighted recognition frame. If you want all newly added faces to include certain columns, click Required Info Columns, then Add, and specify the column name. Click Add Person Photo to import an additional photo to improve recognition accuracy. Usually, the initial photo is enough, but in some cases you may need frames from difficult angles or low light conditions. Once a face is added to the database, it also appears in the list at the bottom of the settings menu. The switch to the left of the person's name controls whether this face will be recognized. If a face is disabled, Xeoma will not recognize that person even if they appear in the frame. If you have many faces stored, use the search bar to find the one you need. Please note, when you switch from one recognition algorithm to another, Xeoma will need some time to train the new algorithm to recognize faces that were added earlier. Now that the module is configured and faces are added to the database, let's look at common face recognition use cases. Use Case 1, Intrusion Detection. If only a limited group of people is allowed to enter a monitored area, unauthorized access can be detected with face recognition. To set this up, build a module chain with universal camera as the video source, face recognition, preview and archive for recording, and any notification module. In our case, we'll use sound alarm. Add faces of authorized people to the database and enable them in the list. Then set the module to react to unknown and unselected faces. Done. Now, if an unfamiliar face appears in the frame, Xeoma will trigger, you'll hear an alarm, and the video with the intruder will be recorded to the archive. Use Case 2, Access Control. Face recognition is a great fit for access control at enterprises, as well as for automatically controlling barriers, turnstiles, and electronic locks. The module chain is almost the same as in Use Case 1, but the notification module should be replaced with HTTP request sending or application runner, depending on how you plan to control the locking device. You can learn more about Xeoma integration with third-party devices on our official website. Set face recognition to react only to selected faces, then enable the faces that should trigger the module. Now, when a person from the database appears in the frame, the face recognition module will trigger, Xeoma will send an unlock signal to the device, and the event will be recorded to the archive. Use Case 3, Shoplifters Detection. If you run a retail store and deal with shoplifters from time to time, Xeoma's face recognition can help discourage repeat offenders. Install a camera at the store entrance and add available photos of known shoplifters to the database. Connect a notification module, ideally Telegram bot notifications, and monitor recognition events. When you receive an alert, you or your staff can quickly respond and remove the offender from the premises, preventing a potential theft. As more incidents are investigated, your photo collection will grow, making the system even more effective over time. A few words about licensing. The license type needed depends on the recognition algorithm you're going to use. The face recognition module is included in the Xeoma Pro Edition. For example, if you purchase a Xeoma Pro license for one camera, you'll be able to use face recognition on one camera. In this case, artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence using CNN will be available with one face in the database. To increase the number of available faces, you'll need the additional face recognition artificial intelligence license for the required number of faces. This license can be activated not only with Xeoma Pro, but also with a Xeoma standard license. After activation, the face recognition module becomes available for all cameras on the server. The vision algorithm becomes available after you activate the additional face recognition vision license on the server. This license is purchased per camera, while the number of faces in the database is unlimited. The vision algorithm license can also be activated only together with Xeoma standard and Xeoma Pro licenses. If you run into any issues configuring face recognition, please contact Xeoma's free technical support service. You'll find the links in the description.